Hello, I'm Neelam Rana from KV Vigyan Bihar. Is pleased to share my knowledge about relationship between sound and spelling. In writing English words, many times we come to know that there are some discrepancy between the number of letters and number of sounds. Whenever you write some word, you always write with the help of a sound. But if you feel it, in writing the word you are using 4 letters, but the sounds are less or more. That depends on the concept. So there are 4 main concepts here. The first one is the same letter can have different sounds. Let us take some examples here. Phone, clock, fog. You can tell me some more examples if you know. Any letter which is coming in different words having different sounds. Like here I have got phone, clock, for. In phone, O sound is there. First one. In second word, clock, A. And in third, for, O. So you can see that there are 3 sounds coming for O alphabet. O letter. Now second concept is that you are having the different letters but the sound is same. For example, if I take word big, England, busy. As you can see on the screen, big, England, busy. Here the I letter is there, big, E sound coming. England, the letter is E, but the sound is coming E. जबकि हम जानते हैं, we know this, that E sound is A. The next word is busy. Busy. The U is having the sound of E. But normally, U sounds A. So all 3 letters are different. I, E and U. But the sound is coming A. A. Big, England, busy. So different letters are there but having the same sound. Now the third concept is that counting letters and sound. Generally we compare that, okay, 3 letters are there, 3 sounds are there. 4 letters are there, 4 sounds are there. So let us see whether this concept is correct or not. Now I have got 3 examples here, as you can see on the screen. Fast, 7, red. I will repeat these words again. Fast, 7, red. In fast, how many letters are there? Yes, anybody who can tell me? 4 letters. And the sounds? F, A, S, T. Sounds? F, A, S, T. So 4 sounds are there, 4 letters are there. No doubt about it. Now next word is 7. 7. How many sounds are there? 5 sounds. S, A, V, A, N. 7. 5 sounds. Now next example, red. R, A, D. R, A, D. 3 letters, 3 sounds. The word is red. It is having 3 letters and it is having 3 sounds. So, number of letters equal to number of sounds. But, is it always the same? No, it is not always the same. Letters and sounds are not the same. There are some examples which are having letters and sounds not the same. So, you can see on the screen. The first word is coffee. Second, yes, teacher. Third is shopping. Please repeat after me. Coffee, teacher, shopping. Now who is going to tell me how many letters are there and how many sounds are there for these three words? Yes, who will tell me? Okay. Coffee. How many letters are there? C-O-F-F-E-E. 6 letters are there. Now let's talk about the sound. Ka, O, F, E. Coffee. 4 sounds. Ka, O, F, E. Coffee. 4 sounds. Double F, 2 F's makes 1 sound. 2 E makes 1 sound. So letters are 6 but sounds are 4. That means letters and sounds are not the same. Number of letters and number of sounds not the same. Next, teacher. Teacher. T, E, Sh, R. Teacher. T, E, Sh, R. Teacher. E, A makes a sound. E, C, H makes the sound ch. E, R, A. A. Teacher. Teacher. Next word is shopping. How many letters are there? Yes? 8. Good. 8 letters are there. Now sounds. SH, sh, O. 2 sounds, p. 3 sounds, a. 4 sound and 5, Shopping. 5 sounds are there. So letters are 8 but the sounds are 5. So number of letters and number of sounds are not the same here. Let us take some more examples. Yes. Now it is your exercise. You can read these words and tell me how many letters and how many sounds are there for each word. Let me read the words for you. Apple, because, student, sheep, Wednesday. Repeat it. Apple, because, student, sheep, Wednesday. So you can take your time for 4 or 5 seconds and you can tell me. Okay, so now the answer, you can see the answer now. The apple is having 5 letters and 3 sounds.
Apple, apple, apple.
Apple, apple, apple. Because 7 letters, 5 sound. B, E, K, O, Z. B, E, K, O, Z. Because.
Because, 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 because.
Student, student. It is having 7 letters but sounds are 8. See, this.
Student, 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 student.
Different. S, T, O, D, E, N, T. S, T, Y, O, D, E, N, T. Sheep. Sheep.
Sheep,
3 sounds.
sheep, sheep, sheep.
Wednesday. 6 sounds. V, E, N, Z, D, E.
Wednesday, 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 Wednesday.
V, E, N, Z, D, E. Wednesday, 6 sounds. So that's all for this topic. And I hope you have understood the concept and you will utilize in your normal English lessons. Thank you.